To get started, go to cityofindianwells.org/permithub and click the Indian Wells Permit Hub image to access the self-service portal. Log into your account and click the Apply tab on the menu bar to pull up the Application Assistant. The Application Assistant allows you to scroll through more than 70 different permit application options. You can filter options into 4 categories: trending, licenses, permits, and planning. You can also use the Search tab to refine your search using application names or keywords. Once you locate the correct application, click the blue Apply button. Follow the steps and fill out the appropriate information as prompted. Certain attachments are required before moving forward with completing your application. Please ensure you're prepared to upload all necessary documentation. Once you reach the final step, review your application details and verify that the information is correct. You can return to any of the previous steps by clicking the back button in the bottom left corner. Hit Submit and a confirmation will be sent to the email associated with your account. If you have any questions, please call Indian Wells City Hall at 760-346-2489.